If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our scale and chord tutorial videos. Today the star is E flat. We're going to do the E flat major scale in our right hand, then our left hand, and then both hands. In the key of E flat, we'll have three flats: B flat, E flat, and A flat. Starting on the E flat in our right hand, first time I'll do it with letter names, and the next time we'll do it with fingering numbers. Ready, it's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. Back down, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat. Fingering numbers are 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, end on 3. Start and end on that third finger. Same thing in the left hand. We'll start and end on the third finger. First time with letter names, then fingering numbers. Ready, it's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat. Ready, it's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat. Together, they both start on the middle finger. Together, it's up on 3, and on 3. Go back and practice this one again. I encourage it, and then play on to our next scale video.